How to auto-forward emails in Outlook Web. First, open the Outlook Web app in your preferred browser. Then, click on the Settings icon located at the top right corner. From the Settings panel, navigate to the Forwarding and IMAP tab. Before enabling email forwarding, you may be required to verify your account. To proceed, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Windows security PIN when prompted. If you haven't set up a PIN, this step may be skipped. Next, Microsoft will ask to send a verification code to your registered phone number. Click on Send a Code to, then enter the required digits of your phone number as instructed. You may also be asked to complete a quick human verification step. Once completed, a verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code to successfully verify your identity. After verification, you'll be redirected back to the Forwarding and IMAP settings. Here, you'll see that email forwarding is turned off by default. Simply toggle it on. In the Forward My Email To field, enter the email address where you want all incoming messages to be forwarded. If you'd like to keep a copy of forwarded emails in your Outlook inbox, make sure to check the corresponding option. Otherwise, you can leave it unchecked. If you have multiple email accounts configured, under the Set Default From Address option, select the account whose emails you want to forward. Once everything is set, click on the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it! Your email forwarding is now successfully configured in Outlook Web. Thanks for watching.